My name is Tilageswari and I'm from Ipoh Perak. So today I'm standing in front of you. It's regarding the topic that trembled the whole world, frightened the whole world. That is the COVID-19, or else to be known as Corona. What this coronavirus has done? Maybe it's a bigger question marks for you. What has done? We have lost lots of job opportunities, lots of life. The very easy example and very simple example that we can see is the US. Millions of lives has taken by this tiny virus, we can say that. So today I'm going to stand here as a student, undergraduate. We'll be discussing on the topic, the global reboot, leveraging resources to overcome the challenges in the past COVID-19 towards the world. What are the challenges? We have faced tons of challenges in this 4 months time. A lot of things happened that you would be wondering. So there are 3 aspects that you have to look into to overcome this. So the first challenge that we will be looking at is the individual. This individual is very simple. Individual that is covering 2 categories, family and the community, or can be easily said as the public. Second would be the organization. And the third, the main thing that I'm going to focus, narrow the scope, is the economy. Okay, let's get back to the first one, the individual. What individual, the family members and the community as a public should do? The first thing, wash your hand frequently. The second thing, wear masks everywhere you go and every time, but don't wear during your sleeping time, don't wear during jogging. This may cause other consequences. And the third one will be have social distancing. Go out only when necessary. So here I want to emphasize on kita jaga kita. So the second one will be the organization. Organization, you might be feeling weird. What the organization should be done? Organization has Mereka. Mereka have helped out the frontliners. I'm sure you know who's the frontliners. They have give their life to save us, to be the main person to block and overcome the COVID-19. So Mereka has collaborated with the ISAC and Youth Forum today, has been doing so many exposure. What they has been doing, for example, you can be saying, why am I talking about this organization? We as a student or undergraduates to come up in front, to step in front to help them out. How? We might know a lot of sponsorships. We could be the middle person to help them to get some sponsor. Other than that, what we can do is follow up to enroll ourselves in the Mereka official website so that we can get some emails. How could we contribute to them? So the next one would be the economic. The economic is the main picture. What we can see in the economic is, you must remember, risk as a chance. We should take risk to get a chance. Without that, so don't dream about it, okay? So, the approaches will be the 3 approaches. The first one will be a freelance job or the gig economic. The second one would be free, not freelance job. It's more like free job that is online business. The third one would be the profit you could make using your own hobbies. I'm sure there's varieties of hobbies one person have, right? The gig economic. The gig economic will be what is gig economic? I'm sure you're wondering about gig economic. It involves the exchange of labor from money and between the individuals of company. What is that? This is work. How it works is it works under the cloud. This is where the unicorns come up. I'm sure you will be wondering what is unicorns. Unicorns is for example, we have in the world, there are more like 72 unicorns. One simple example is Grab. Grab is one of the unicorn that has been Malaysian has brought into the Singapore market, then has been like developed the whole world and is very successful. That is how the gig economic works. Under the gig economic we have MDEC. MDEC is the Malaysian Digital Economic Corporation, and has been organizing two things, eRezeki and Glow. What is Glow? Glow is the global online organization, sort of that. There has been a lot of, you can enroll yourself, you can sign up. There are a lot of trainings that they could give so that you can come up with a lot of digital things, for example like businesses lah. So the second approaches we will go into is online businesses. What kind of online businesses? For example, you can talk in terms of the short-term online. Short-term online businesses is like in this period what you could sell, sanitizers and like so on. So the third one will be the hobby. For example, planting. We narrow the scope. You could change into like mushroom planting that could come up with businesses. These will definitely overcome the unemployment rate that reaches 5.6% compared to the financial risk, financial Asian risk crisis and the global slowdown. Okay, to sum up, we are going to talk about we have to come up with all these steps to overcome this COVID-19. As undergraduates, we have to do that. Thank you.